Hello everyone, welcome back to Deals with Lady P. Today I would like to share a couple of items that I purchased from my recent Shop With Me video from Burlington Factory. Please like, share, and if you have not already done so, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. And also, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of the items. So let's get started.
Okay everyone, now I'm going to show you the items that I purchased from my Burlington shopping trip. So the first item I'm going to show you is I purchased this apple and I just fell in love with it. I had seen it before. It is beautiful. It's gold. It has the gold and like beige tones in it. And it's the cracked glass, and you can see it has a mirror effect too. It is so gorgeous, and I bought this to put in my bathroom, my powder room, and I just thought it was so pretty. And the price is not on it, but I had her to check from the sticker on it. The price was $6.99, and I thought it was really nice. It has that, if you could see it, that really broken glass look to it. Or that they did, how they acquired this. And this is really pretty. It has the gold and beige. It has all the colors in it that's in my bathroom. So I really thought I would purchase this and put this on a shelf. And then the next item is a picture. I saw this picture and they only had one. I thought it would go really, really nice in my bathroom because I had to take the picture, the only picture I had in there, or not really the only picture I had in there, in this spot. And I had to take it and move it to another bathroom, repurpose. So I decided to get a new one. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to try to put it down a little bit. And the colors, I'm going to try to bring it closer so you can see the colors. This is what attracted me to it. It looks like a seashell. And it has like white background. This is all glitter. It is, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Let me see if I could put it up close and see if you can see the glitter. Has all glitter all over it. And this background here is white. And then this is what attracted me to it. It has all the colors. It has the white background. Then we have like the seashell is like a gray with some brown tones in it, brown stripes. And then at the bottom we have that blue bottom. And all down here you have like a brownish tone, like a beige brownish tone in it. And you have that feel of the stones in it. It's really like it's raised. It's raised. So it's really pretty. And then you have blue up in here. It's just so pretty. And I thought it was so gorgeous. And the price was, let me see if I could get that price to you. $24. My granddaughter's trying to help me. $24.99. And I thought this was really pretty. I like this. I don't even know if this one was in the video, but this is so beautiful. I really like it, and I just love the colors. The colors is just like so perfect with all my colors: the white, the beige, the brown, and the gray. And it gives all the colors that's in the bathroom. I thought it was really, really nice. I know it's gonna look nice. I try, you know how we do. We come home and I put it up there to see, and take the other picture down, see how it's gonna look. And it looks really good. So that's one of the items. And then the next item I purchased is another picture. This is some metal art, and it says, "With God, all things are possible." And it's tan, has like a brown tones to it, and it's metal, and it's pretty large. But I'm going to actually take a picture down, changing things up in the powder room, and I'm going to put this up as you go in. This will be the first thing you see. And the price on this is $16.99, and I thought that was a pretty good price for the size. The size is pretty large. So that's it, and I'm gonna try to find some sconces to go on each side of it. So I've been kind of looking for that, but I really do like it, and hopefully you can see it. If I lay it down, see if you can see it. Oh, it's better sitting up. Okay, so that's another item that I purchased. And these two items I fell in love with it. I bought these two items for my daughter for her birthday. And I'm going to show you one at a time because of my hands. Okay, so this one is, I thought it was so pretty. It has a little raised rhinestones on here. And I think it'll look so good over your dresser, in your closets. Those some people have the real large closets, the walk-in closets. They have that wall space that they have their dresses in that they could decorate, or it could just be where your dress is in your bedroom. But the colors is so pretty. I had first purchased it in black and white for her, and then when I went back, when I went back and did the video, I seen it in pink. And I said, oh, she will love the pink. So I returned, purchased that and returned the other ones. And I know she will love it. It has the shoes. She loves shoes, and the shoes all has rhinestones. And you got your plant, you got your little fashion books, and you got your little perfume and your cologne. I think it looks so nice in the bedroom. So I purchased that one for her. And this price shoe is such a good price, $7.99. Cannot believe it. It is so pretty. And they got different ones, but most of them other ones was black. And I know my daughter loves color. So, and plus her room is pink and blue. She has a pink pillow. She has a pink throw cover. So the pink, she would love the pink. So that's why when I seen the pink, I had to get the pink for her. But I thought these was really nice. And I bought two of them. And the other one I purchased was this color. And it has the chandelier with the pump and the heels, and then you got the book, and it shows your little dresser with your pocketbook, and all of this got all these rhinestones on it. And I know you probably seen it because I tried to show it in the shop with me, but isn't that gorgeous? I know she's gonna love this. I haven't given it to her yet, and this also was $7.99. And I just think this is so pretty, and she loves color, so I know she's gonna really appreciate this. This is gonna look really good in her room. And then I also purchased for her, I found this blouse. But I actually found this blouse on my, well, it wasn't in Burlington. I found this one in Ross, but it goes with the theme. See if I can hold it up for you. And my granddaughter gonna see if you could. It actually has the shoe on it, and then this shows the back of the shoe over here with the little bow at the top. But those are both shoes. Then you got the pocketbook, and then you have a hat. This is like so perfect, and she loved these blouses, and then the color, so I think she's gonna love it. That's on the back. And then on the front we also has the same thing, the pocketbook and the hat and the shoes. And I think she's gonna fall in love with this. This is so nice. See it? And the color is orange with the black accent. And this also has the, trying to do this on this iPad, iPod, also has the rhinestones in it. and different colors. It's really, really nice. She's gonna love this. But this is it. This is it. And she's gonna love that. Yeah, that is really, really nice. So so that's all I purchased from there that day. Okay, everyone, so this is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. And I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing. Bye-bye.